How do you identify high-quality spirit levels, the kind that are used by professionals? Various components influence the quality of a spirit level. The most important element is the vial, crucial for precision, handling, and longevity. Important when measuring is the position of the air bubble, exactly in the middle between both markings. To improve visibility and contrast, we use dyed vial fluid. Instead of rings, SOLA focus vials have green markings. These reflect on the edges of the air bubble for a 4 times higher contrast than average ring vials. SOLA focus vials are made of break-proof thick acrylic glass. The unusual form enables the magnification of the air bubble, depending on the model, between 20 and 60%, for best readability of the measuring results even from a distance. In low light, the luminous vial ensures better readability, even without LED lighting. However, the hidden secret of the SOLA focus vial is the composition of the vial fluid. It is non-sensitive towards electrical current. In addition, the vial fluid is UV resistant and remains unfaded. Moreover, the fluid is especially temperature stable for an even, smooth bubble movement between -20 and +60 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, the vial fluid's composition prevents bubbles splitting in the case of shock or impact and applies to all our spirit level vials.